Ever picked up your phone to reply to one message and somehow ended up watching a guy build a swimming pool with a spoon? Yeah, same. Well, the Clicks Communicator is trying to stop that chaos and turn your phone back into a communicator. Wild concept, I know. So if you're searching for a phone made for messaging, typing, and actually getting things done, I went digging, tested what it offers, and here's the real talk in under 2 minutes. Stick till the end so you know if this thing is productivity hero or just another shiny distraction. First thing you notice, the physical keyboard. Not the fake vibration kind, real tactile keys. If you type a lot, emails, chats, notes, this feels closer to a mini laptop than a glass slab. Faster, more accurate, and honestly satisfying, like bubble wrap but productive. The keyboard is also touch sensitive, meaning you can scroll messages or pages without moving your fingers up to the screen. Small feature, big daily convenience. There's also a side button for voice input so you can dictate messages or record notes, useful when walking, commuting, or pretending to be busy during meetings. The 4-inch AMOLED display is intentionally compact. Translation, it's built for replying and working, not endless doom scrolling. If you love huge screens for movies, this isn't that. If you want fewer distractions, this makes sense. Software-wise, it runs Android so you still get your usual apps, and the message hub concept posts conversations together so you're not jumping between 5 different apps like a confused courier. Hardware touches are practical too. Fingerprint unlock in the spacebar, headphone jack. Yes, the ancient relic returns. Expandable storage, solid battery, and customizable notification. LED for important contacts. So here's the bottom line. If your phone is mostly for social scrolling and entertainment, this may feel unusual. But if you message constantly, type a lot, or want a focused communication device that reduces distractions, the Clicks Communicator actually makes a strong case. That's a quick breakdown. If you want more short, honest tech reviews without the boring robot talk, stay tuned because the right gadget shouldn't waste your time. It should give it back. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.